good morning. So for today, I'll show you the easiest way on how to make affordable sweet and sour chicken. Alright, let's start. Okay, so we have here all our ingredients. The basic ingredients that we'll be using are we have the capsicum, the green one, and the red one. We have also the paminta, asin, garlic powder, at saka onion powder. And then isang itlog, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then we have oil for frying the chicken, and then ketchup, and then vinegar, and then 1/4 na breast chicken, at saka hiwain na ng tiyang ganyan, at saka flour. Okay? So, hiwain na natin yung ating capsicum ng ganyan kalaki. And we have also the chicken right here. So, lagyan na natin siya ng seasoning, yung paminta, asin, garlic powder, at saka yung onion powder. And then yung itlog, i-mix na din natin siya sa harina with konting water na lang. At saka lagyan ng asin. Okay? So, ilagay na natin lahat, i-mix na natin siya sa chicken natin, at saka ready na siya for frying. So, maglalagay na tayo at maghihita tayo ng oil natin sa pan. And actually, don't worry kung marami yung magagamit mo na oil kasi magagamit mo naman siya sa next batch or next dish na gagawin natin. Alright? So, it will take 2 to 3 minutes each side para ma-flip. And then 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Alright? So, while waiting for them to finish, we will be making our sauce or prepare na yung sauce natin. So, lagyan na natin ng sugar, yung vinegar, yung toyo, at saka yung ketchup. At saka, again, it depends lang po kung sa tingin nyo is mas maalat, maasim ba siya, or matamis. So, just add more na lang. Depende po lahat kasi sa panlasa nyo kung natatamisan ba kayo or what. Something like that. So, kayo na po bahala sa taste. Alright? So, right now, I just show you kung ano yung mga ingredients na gagawin natin. Okay? So, dadagdagan lang natin kung kulang sa tingin nyo. And then, ito po lahat yung mga naprito kong chicken. So, ready na natin gawin yung ating sauce. So, sa isang pan, gamit yung same oil na prinituhan natin kanina. Ilagay natin yung oil. So, less than a minute, ilalagay na natin yung ating capsicum. And then, once ready, ilagay na natin yung ating capsicum. So, it will take maybe 1 to 2 minutes para ilagay na din natin yung prepare natin na sauce kanina. And then, ta-da! Just put it in a medium fire hanggang para hintayin na mag-boil at saka ilagay na natin yung ating chicken. So, for the chicken, it will take 2 to 3 minutes again. So, hintayin lang para ma-coat lahat yung sauce. And then, ta-da! Ready not to serve! So, I hope you learned something from this video, guys. And let me know if you want me to do a specific dish that you want. And just comment down below and I'll do it for you. Alright? Thank you and I hope you have a good day. Bye!